Hey guys, Erica here with Rainbow Factory. Today we are going to play around with our primary colors in order to mix skin tones. Yes, you can make skin tones with just the primary colors, red, yellow, blue, okay? We are gonna use a little bit of white to lighten things up a bit towards the end, but the only three colors we're gonna use are those primaries. We're not using black and we're not using brown. We're going for rich, deep, beautiful tones. If you use just brown and white to make skin color, it's going to be, it'll work, but it's kind of flat looking. So we wanted to go for more richer tones. Also, it's really cool to know how to do this just in case you don't have a brown or a flesh color available. So anyway, I want you to grab your paints and your brushes and your paper and all that jazz, and we're gonna make a beautiful flesh-toned rainbow. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the deepest, darkest skin tone on the outside of our rainbow. So when we're starting with a dark tone, or when we're going for a dark tone, we're going to start by mixing a purple with our blue and our red. And then we're gonna grab some yellow in there. Now that was a little too much yellow. So let me grab some more blue and red here. And we're going for just a rich brown. There we go. We're already there. So let's do a nice, big, pretty rainbow here. Now, we're going to go for a lighter skin tone now, just a bit. And instead of going for white, let's brighten this or lighten this with some yellow. We don't want to grab the white just yet. And just like that, we have the next skin tone. See how easy that was? Okay, that's gonna make me crazy, that little space there. There we go. All right, so now to get even lighter, now you'll notice in this skin tone there's quite a lot of yellow to the hue, and that's good. Some people have yellow undertones to their skin. Some people have more pinky red type undertones. So you can play with those two colors to try to match the exact color that you're going for. Kind of running out of my purple here, so I'm gonna mix some more. Just get that original brown that we started with. Okay, so now we're going to lighten it again, the same way we did before with some yellow. But this time let's add a touch of white. There we go. It's looking good. From here, let's add a little bit more white, but if you notice, it's getting a little just dull as we add more white, because white is a very cool color. So to balance that, I'm going to put a little bit of red in there to warm it up. And there we go. So let's continue with that little mix there. Until we get lighter and lighter. And we're going to end with this very pale, pinky, peachy skin tone, which is great for babies or even for redheads, because they tend to have that fair skin. Now, when we get real fair like this, let's add just a touch of red to give it some more life. And I think we're there. Okay. I think that turned out pretty cool, huh? And we did that without using brown or black. That's awesome. All right, guys. Until next time, this is Erica with Rainbow Factory, and I will see you in the next video.